This liquid multivitamin with minerals is used to prevent or treat vitamin deficiency caused by a poor diet, certain illnesses, or during pregnancy. Vitamins are essential for the body and help maintain good health. It provides a range of benefits, including supporting overall health, boosting the immune system, and promoting proper growth and development. The recommended daily dosage for adults is 1 tablespoon, taken with food. It is best to take this medication at the same time every day to ensure consistency. When taking multivitamin with minerals liquid, it's important to follow the recommended dosage and take it once daily as directed by your doctor. Be sure to use a medication measuring device to measure the prescribed dose, and not a household spoon. If the liquid is a suspension, shake the bottle well before each dose. Taking this medication regularly at the same time each day will help you get the most benefit from it. Some common side effects of taking multivitamin with minerals liquid may include constipation, diarrhea, or an upset stomach. These effects are usually temporary and may go away as your body gets used to the medication. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to notify your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that if your doctor has recommended this medication, they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. While it is rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this medication can occur. Seek immediate medical help if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not listed here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist for further guidance. As for the best time to take this medication, it is recommended to follow the dosage instructions provided by your doctor or on the product label. It is generally best to take this medication with a meal to help with absorption and to reduce the risk of an upset stomach. Be sure to follow the recommended daily dosage and consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns. If the multivitamin you're taking contains iron, it's crucial to keep it away from children to prevent accidental overdose. Iron overdose is a significant cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years old. If an overdose happens, seek medical assistance immediately or contact a poison control center. Before taking this multivitamin with minerals liquid, it's important to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to its ingredients. Additionally, let them know about your medical history, especially if you have a history of alcohol abuse, liver problems, or stomach/intestinal issues. If the multivitamin contains folic acid, make sure to inform your doctor if you have a vitamin B12 deficiency before taking it. Folic acid may affect certain lab tests for vitamin B12 deficiency without treating this anemia, which can lead to serious nerve problems. It's important to consult your doctor for more information. Liquid preparations of this product may contain sugar and/or alcohol, so if you have diabetes, alcohol dependence, or liver disease, it's important to use this product cautiously and seek advice from your doctor or pharmacist. Before undergoing surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you are using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant or breastfeeding, it's important to consult with your doctor before using this medication. Now, let's talk about the possible drug interactions with multivitamin with minerals liquid. It's important to be aware that taking this product at the same time as certain medications may change how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. If your multivitamin contains iron, you should avoid taking it at the same time as antacids, bisphosphonates, levodopa, thyroid medications, or some antibiotics. It's best to ask your doctor or pharmacist about how long you should wait between doses and for help finding a dosing schedule that will work with all your medications. If your multivitamin also contains folic acid, be sure to tell your doctor or pharmacist if you take certain anti-seizure drugs. Always consult your healthcare professional before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If you or someone else has taken too much of this multivitamin with minerals liquid and has serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, reach out to your provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an overdose may include stomach pain, nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Make sure to attend all your medical appointments and any necessary lab tests. It's important to note that this multivitamin with minerals liquid is not a replacement for a nutritious diet. It's always best to get your vitamins and minerals from a variety of healthy foods. Be sure to maintain a well-balanced diet and follow any dietary recommendations given to you by your doctor. If you forget to take this multivitamin with minerals liquid at your scheduled time, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at the regular time. Don't take extra to make up for the missed dose. It's important to store multivitamin with minerals liquid at room temperature, away from light and moisture, but not in the bathroom. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. When you no longer need it or it expires, it's important to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. Remember, never flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.